I'm going to demonstrate now how, without the new feature turned on in Labs, you can search with 2 or even 3 terms. But you can't get any results with that new feature turned on. So I'll start out by searching for Zim death. See, we get 1. Now quick draft. There are 3 results. New York Nat. 11 results. Quick birth. 4 results. Illinois quick. 4 results. Okay, close this. Open a batch I already have. Go into Help, Labs. Turn on the new feature. F5 to refresh. See that happened. Close Labs. Close the batch. Click Find Batches will repeat each search. Zim death. No projects found. To prove that it works with just one word, just Zim would find you the project. Moving on to quick draft. No, it doesn't work. Just draft would find you some, but I wanted quick draft. Moving on to New York Nat. New, strike out again. New York doesn't get you anything. New gets you way more than you want. Quick birth. We had 4, with that feature not turned on. Illinois quick. We had 4 with the feature not turned on. It will work with one word or part of a word, such as pedo for rapido. Veloce for the quick batches in Italian. This is a step backwards. Searching by 2 words or part of 2 words was something that was a good feature. Have fun fixing it.